At first, nobody tells you you're losing your job. There's no meeting, no email, no goodbye cake. You just stop being needed. Somewhere in the world, a factory light switches off for the last time. A call center floor grows quieter. A software update rolls out overnight, and thousands of roles quietly vanish with it. These are the jobs that disappear without firing anyone. In the early 1900s, elevator operators were essential. They controlled speed, safety, trust. Then, a button was invented. At first, people were afraid to press it. Today, no one even remembers the hands that once guided every floor. This keeps happening. Typists, toll booth workers, photo developers, travel agents, each replaced not by a villain, but by convenience. Economists call it automation. Companies call it efficiency. But for the person on the other side, it feels like fading out of the picture. Experts say this isn't about machines taking jobs. It's about tasks disappearing. One by one, slowly enough that no one panics, fast enough that no one adapts in time. And here's the unsettling part. Most of these jobs didn't end with anger. They ended with silence. Because the future doesn't usually arrive loudly. It arrives politely, as an app update, as a cheaper option, as a button someone finally trusts. And by the time we notice what's gone, we've already stopped missing it.